but very little attention is paid to the alignment of the joints of the rear foot and the midfoot. The foot is broken down into really 4 different segments. We look at these segments uniquely because they all have different functions. When you move into the next category, which are basic orthotics, and they're made from plaster casting and foam boxes, they make an attempt to put the foot in a neutral position, but there's a lot of artwork involved. There's balancing involved by the technician. Balancing can vary substantially by one technician over another. There's no uniformity. The cast can be distorted in shipping. There's all kinds of error points in the process of making an orthotic from an art form, which is a cast. The next type of orthotic is called a bioengineered. Those are what I prescribe, and they are scientifically made from very high technology 3D imaging computers where we do a static non-movement analysis and a dynamic movement analysis. And then we essentially fine-tune the geometry of that orthotic in its manufacturing to stabilize the forces in all 4 quadrants of the foot. And that device has less air and more attributes of physical load are looked at by both the doctor and the technician.